Series collection dataset in JFreeChart. Now we are focusing on series collection dataset. The series collection dataset represents the various categories of series datasets that are added to series collection dataset. This type of dataset is used for XY line charts. As an example, we can consider this code segment here. Class XY series collection. This class represent a collection of XY series objects that can be used as a data set. This class is in package org.jfree.data.xy. The class XY series represent a sequence of 0 or more data items in X and Y forms. By default, items in the series will be sorted into ascending order by X value, and duplicate X values are permitted. Both the sorting and duplicate default can be changed with the constructor. Y values can be null to represent missing values. Here in the add method adds a data item to the series and sends a series change event to all registered values or all registered listeners. Here X the X value, and here Y the Y value. Here the add series adds a series to the collection and sends a dataset change event to all registered listeners. Here the parameters the series null not permitted. As an example too, we can consider this code segment. The class time series collection, a collection of time series objects. This class implements the XY dataset interface as well as the extended interval XY dataset interface. This make it a convenient dataset for use with the XY plot class. This class is in package org.jfree.data.time. Here in time series represent a sequence of 0 or more data items in the form period and value, where period is some instance of a subclass of a regular time period. The time series will ensure that all data items have the same type of period, for example day, and here minute, and B that each period appears at the most one time in the series. Here adds a new data item to the series and sends a series change event to all registered listeners. period here, the time period, null not permitted here, and the value is the value here. Here in add series, adds a series to the collection and sends a data set change event to the all registers listeners. Here series, the series null not permitted. Overview in task series collection in package org.jfree.data.gant. A task series collection contains one or more task series object and provides access to the task information via the Gantt category dataset interface. Class task series collection in package org.jfree.data.gant. A collection of task series object. This class provides one implementation of the Gantt category dataset interface. You can use this class as a dataset for a Gantt chart. Overview in dynamic time series collection in package org.jfree.data.time. This class is a specialized form of time series dataset that is intended to be faster than the normal general time series collection class. The class dynamic time series collection in package org.jfree.data.time dynamic dataset. You can use this dataset when you have one or more series containing the time series data, all with the same regular data values, and when you need to drop all the data as a newer data is added. Overview in time period values collection. A collection of time period values object. This class implements XY database in XY dataset interface and furthermore the internal XY dataset interface. The class time period values collection in package org.jfree.data.time, a collection of time period values objects. This class provides a more flexible but less structured alternative for the time series collection class. This class extends abstract interval XY dataset. Overview in time series collection. A collection of time series object that can be used as the dataset for time series chart. This class implements XY dataset and interval XY dataset interface. Class time series in package org.jfree.data.time. A collection of time series object. This class implements the XY dataset interface as well as extended interval XY dataset interface. This makes it a convenient dataset for use with the XY plot class. Overview in OHLC series collection in package org.jfree.data.time.ohlc. An OHLC series collection contains 0, 1 or many OHLC series instances and represent this data via the OHLC dataset interface. Class OHLC series collection in package org.jfree.data.time.ohlc, a collection of OHLC series objects. In other words, this class is a dataset that can be used to create charts that require open, high, low, closed data. This kind of data is usually related to financial marketing trading. Overview in matrix series collection in package org.jfree.data.xy. And XY is a data set that is constructed from a collection of matrix series instances. Class matrix series collection in package org.jfree.data.xy represent a collection of matrix series that can be used as a dataset. Overview in a vector series collection, a dataset that implements the vector XY dataset interface by storing data in a form of 0, 1 or many vector series objects. Class vector series collection in package org.jfree.data.xy, a collection of vector series objects. XY interval series collection overview, a dataset that implements the XY interval dataset interface. Class XY interval series collection in package org.jfree.data.xy, a collection of XY interval series objects. This class was first introduced in JFreeChart version 1.0.3. Overview in XY series collection, a collection of XY series objects. Class XY series collection in package org.jfree.data.xy represent a collection of XY series objects that can be used as a dataset. This class implements both XY dataset and interval XY dataset interfaces, so can be used as a dataset for a wide range of charts. Overview in Y interval series collection, a dataset that implements the interval XY dataset interface with an interval for the Y values but not the X values. Class Y interval series collection in package org.jfree.data.xy, a collection of Y interval series objects. This class is first introduced in JFreeChart version 1.0.3. As an exception example, we can consider property vetor exception in method public void vetorable change property change event E in class time series collection. As an error example, we can consider this one. This dataset already contains a series with the key data at org.jfree.data.xy series collection at series xy series collection.java. Yeah.